In my 20 years of teaching facilitation skills, I've been fortunate to work with all different types of people and organizations. My experience has shown me that workshops and meetings around the world are held back by the same problems. One of the key challenges is figuring out what the best ideas are at the end of a workshop. Imagine that your workshop has produced a ton of great ideas. You're wondering how you would prioritize the most important ones without a vote. Why not vote? Because then there are winners and losers. How could we prioritize our ideas without winners and losers? The dartboard is a method that works for individual and group work. It has you move the options around different parts of the dartboard. The innermost circle is titled Crucial. The middle one is Important, and the outer circle is Nice to have. In small groups, people are required to place ideas on the dartboard. After a discussion, they pick one of their ideas and put it in the middle of the dartboard. The other options must be placed in the two remaining rings. Dartboard can be combined conveniently with the Quiet Manoeuvring method. In it, anyone can move whichever post-it note on the dartboard. Because you can't fit all the post-it notes in the middle, people are forced to prioritize and only place the very best options in the middle of the dartboard. Before starting Quiet Manoeuvring, make sure that everyone understands all the options. You can ask the group to explain these options briefly to check for comprehension, or ask for comments to ensure that everyone is clear about what the different alternatives mean. After this, tell everyone that there is absolutely no talking during the maneuvering. It is called Quiet Manoeuvring after all. Anyone can move whichever option in any way that they want, but they must remain quiet. This usually takes about 10 minutes. When the notes are no longer moving around the dartboard, start a conversation that focuses on the notes that moved around the most. The dartboard method and the quiet maneuvering are excellent tools for remote workshops too. Use a virtual whiteboard or a shared file that everyone can edit simultaneously.